Happy Thursday, happy trading. Nothing better to be doing. Here's our first trade. It was on Amazon. As you can see, we have an elephant bar off of 200. So that's the first 2 minutes. We wanted to jump in early. We jumped in here. It went all the way down, but then it came back up on us and we got out. So it was pretty much even. It just felt it. It just didn't feel like it had any more velocity to go down. It went kind of strong up. Keep in mind when you have those moves off the 200, yet the 20 is still above it, it needs to turn over. So does the 8. The 8 and the 20 need to turn over. So then you can actually make that move down. So what this one did, it went against us, and then you have a spot right here where you can get in, and the color change, the nice little Egyptian cotton zone right here. The area we're always talking about, build up, break. So right here, we have an opportunity to get in. We missed it. It went all the way down to here. We saw a large elephant bar, split it in two. So we took that as another elephant bar here. We got in, sold, sold, sold. Went against us, bought, got out of it real quick, right? We lost this amount, and then we bought two more shares and sold it out just to make up for that loss because it came back so rough. We just were going to do a stop and reverse. But we knew that this pocketed area was what we were going to sell on. From there, we left and went and traded something else. But then this happened right here, and this was the sell hit right here. Go home, go to the beach, go somewhere else, and you see this level of support area. I wasn't initially going to get in this, but Oliver was trading, and Oliver kept saying he was getting in Amazon, so I wanted to be with OV, see what it was like. I couldn't hold it like he could hold it. Let's just say I knew it was going down. I still didn't make money, and he made a lot of money. So get you a mentor, join the family. I'll leave a link in the description like I always do. Um, that's the method I use, Oliver Velez. Let's say here's one that we don't really go over too much. It's an older one I found in an old video. Here's a level of support. Usually we're looking for a tail bar. You see how we don't have a tail bar, but what we do have is we do have three Wolverine claws, kind of like Wolverine on X-Men. And if you know, he rips things up. So here's the claw, 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 claw. Wolverine hand rips things up or rips things the other way, however you want to put it. And this goes up. You might get out on the 20, leave a lot, get out here, see what you're doing. Again, position of power. Know that maybe that's an elephant bar you want to play down, but it's not off the 200. Keep in mind you have the previous of close above you. So looks like that was the move off the 200. It was able to break through the 20. That's pretty significant. You kind of got an elephant bar that might be exhausting. So you might want to get out on the next bar. Let's see. Get like a little pullback. Next bar, get a pullback. This looks violent. You might think that that means it's going to go up to here. This takes out there. So we have a red bar takeout close to a 20. 20 is at its strongest position, a 45-degree angle. Sell more. Let that ride. Keep in mind the distance you have. Narrow state, narrow to wide state. That might have looked like a playable event, but it wasn't far enough away from the 8. This may look playable, but keep in mind, since you have this right here, which is green, that's going to be the next level, and then the next level is going to be here and here. So you're going to have a difficult time right here. But this might be the elephant bar you're looking for. But keep in mind that is still the position of power. Now this off the 20, I love that. Keep in mind we might have played this one. So right now we got this elephant bar. Should be a big move, didn't get one. Came all the way back from a big move like that. Elephant bar green, elephant bar red. Seems about as neutral as can be. Maybe we play it down, maybe we just see. We just see. We would have played this elephant bar off the 20, split it in two. One's off the 20. Add right here. We're going to try to play it to the 200. Didn't get it. This is an elephant bar. Keep in mind that the 200 is a range. So you could say that is off 200. We expect a large move. We got it. Here's a pullback. How does it interact with this 20? That's a nice move, nice sizable move. Does it look like we're in some type of channel? Got another move off here. Expected it to be powerful, but keep in mind the distance it was away from the 200. You get a buy signal here. This tail bar, you would know to we play those when it crosses above it, you play it, stop below. You would have got a one leg move. Tried to play it to here is a little too far. Maybe you say, hey, there was some support here. Not sure what happened there. Not looking at any other time frames right now. Maybe this is a build up, but it'd be nice if previous close was right here, but that's not the case. Seems like we still have some type of build up. Here's a move off of it. That's a pretty powerful bar. And we got a nice move off of it. That's above 50. So we would have had this move, one. We had another off the 20. One, two, three. Get out here. We have a bull 180. You're going to play it up. Get out. Leave a lot. Definitely get out here. Probably play it down. Nope. Went straight up. That's why you gotta love the game. Next stock is gonna be Intel. Let's see what we did with Intel in that trade. Okay, so Intel, same type of position. You see, we got an elephant. We got it off of a 200. We sold in here. Got to move down, but it went right up. We broke even, got out right there. Really, what we were supposed to do is we were supposed to leave our stop right here. We just got in so much that our max loss was going to be maybe right here. Even if our max loss was here, we should have held it right there. It's just I piled in so many lots that it would just move so quickly. I just knew it was going up for some reason. Ego issues, shouldn't listen to the ego. Should have had my stop here and left it alone. That was bad trading on me. let's say I would have left those in. One, two, three. I know that looks janky. But you see the little ring claw again. No level of support, but all these claws gonna reverse and go up. But that would have been a nice one. Sell, color change, more there. So I should have had a profitable chair there instead of broke even. But learning experience will improve next time. Let's keep going. Overeating clause kept you up for a little bit. Remember, if you pass that mark, we're going to play it up to try to fill the gap. If not, let's look at this as a level of support. Plus, you have the 200 red line right here. So let's keep that in mind. Looks like we have a level right here. Looks like it, oh, bounces off of it. Elephant off of a 20. Play that down. Keep in mind leg one, leg two. Can't expect too much too far. It can go down forever, but it's going to come back to the 20 before it makes another move down. Came back up. This is a pretty significant elephant. Cut it in half. It's off the 20, so we're probably going to play that up. But keep in mind, this is the position of power, so you have a lot of downward support. So what can you expect? Not too much. What we could have done is we played it up. Remember our thing? We play this up, we get out, leave a lot, let it float, float. It went past 50. It's right at 50, so we pile into it expecting it to go higher than this high. If you consider that, well, maybe someone consider that 60%, so you didn't expect it, so you'd pile into it again regardless, but you just wouldn't try to get to the high or expect that to go higher, and you'd get out quicker for a nice scalp. At least that's how I've been playing it. I didn't play it like that today. Didn't get too much market action play. Was doing other things. Only got the open really. But that's just a nice little trick I've been using lately. Off the 20, and you keep in mind since it's off the 20, leg two, can only expect too much. One, two, three, get out. Leave a lot on there. You don't get a change. After this, you know you're in it. So you would stop and reverse elephant bar, put some lots in it, double down right here. Doesn't feel like it has the velocity to go by. Might want to get out. Buy off the 200 or off the 20. Strong bar. Stop and reverse. Oh, keep in mind you still have it right here, but it looks like it's climbing. What time is it? 14. Might as well get out. Remember the 11 bar count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Drop the trade, cut it, go home. It's almost the end of the day. No real move. I guess you gotta move down, which is nice. Off the 20. 1, 2, 3. Get out. Next one we're gonna go into is chase. Chase. What we tried to do, play this previous close like it was the 200, a flat stay, elephant bar, second elephant bar. That's a big move, so we missed it. We played the ribby, so that's a red bar ignore by two elephant bars, green bars. It doesn't have to be, but that's kind of what the move looks like. Buy in here, set to stop right here, let it ride, and we decided to get out after it. We wish we would have got out up here, but we got a little lower. Then we got out more here. I wish we would have done a stop and reverse here. Rode that down to the previous close. Got out here, left a lot on. As soon as we got that move, bought into it. Keep in mind, you have support above here. Off the 20, buy into that. Color change, buy more into that. See how the strength is waning, and then we know we had a move up here, and we know we're away from the 200 where the strongest moves occur. Leg one, leg two, highest you probably expect is like here. Got right there. You could still color change. Keep in mind, let's say we had off 20, color change, green bar reversal, or green bar takeout, green bar takeout, green bar takeout, ride the 8 power trend, hockey stick, get out. Ooh, and it's like this is just going to be wide. The rest of the day, it's 13. We got 2 hours. Play it down if you get an opportunity. Yeah, I played it up. I would have had an opportunity. It was going up the whole time. Nope. Off the 20. That looks like a hard comeback, though. Nope. Next one, let's go to XOM. Exxon. Buy. Get out. You see how that's a previous area of resistance where a large move happened. So we tried to play the elephant bar off of the 20, off the previous close, knowing here's leg one, leg two, resistance, get out. Elephant bar, take out, green bar takeout. Oof, I didn't mean to do that. Green bar takeout, sell, sell more. One, two, three. Probably get out, maybe ride to there, get out, elephant bar, up to 200. Remember, 200 is a area, it's not really a straight line like the map may fool you. Came back off 200, ride that up. Wolverine claws, area of support, hard move down. See how this was turning over? Does it bust out? No. Stop and reverse, play it up. Let's see what happens. One, two, three, maybe, but regardless. Narrow state, 20, 200, overlapped with price, wide state, take out green bar, play it down to the 20. Wow, look at that. That's amazing. Look how many legs that had. I wouldn't eat that turkey. More. Oh my gosh. It had 6 legs. It's an alien. That would have been a nice take. That would have been a really nice take. Really nice take. And then it has to eventually go up. Elephant bar for 20. Ride to here. Leave one bar on. Pile into that. 50%. Expect it to go higher, but you can't because it has this ceiling up top. Ooh, and it didn't do it. Didn't do it. End of the day. But you see, it still kind of did it. See, Miss Market does what she wants to do. I ain't gonna lie to you. But you might be able to predict their movements. So, next one is Walmart. Uh, Walmart, wide state, off of 200. We went ahead and bought. It would have been nice to buy here because that's a color change. Instead, we were just exhausted for going through this whole move right here that we just wanted to get out and even out. Not too sure what ended up happening. Of course, it went up and played itself to here, so that would have been a great trade. We just couldn't hold it. Something about the ego. Then it even bounced Elephant Bar off of 200, which is even better. We're in a position of power. Keep in mind, playing everything up. Play it up. Oh, that would be beautiful. We played that up right off the position of power and got nothing but cash money on Walmart. Speaking of Walmart, I went to Walmart today. That would have made my day. Oof, oof. It's a lot of money. A lot of money I missed out on. Let's look at the last stock, Google. Everybody loves Google. Google is taking all my money. Does it again. Elephant bar. That's not the morning. Let's go back. Okay, perfect. Oh, I said taking my money. This is the one. This is the one where it actually turned over and went down. All the other ones, we missed it. It went up. Janky, elephant bar. So look, this actually was green. Let's wait for this to erase. So this was green, and then and at that moment, sell, take out, color change, sell more, mortgage the house, see if it breaks the two. Well, not yet, not yet. Now, off the 200, now we can look and expect a move. And then we get a move. We get a move. And on that note, I don't even want to go through the rest of it. Okay, well, we did buy something into it. So we saw space, hidden takeout. So we got out real quick. We were supposed to play it to the 20. But again, Google's just so expensive. I can't really play it. I just like saying I play Google, so I do it anyway. Another ego issue. Space far away, we play it up. Elephant bar, colored takeout, playing it up. Nope, didn't go up. Oh, that's a sell. That's a sell. Spot him, got him. And ironically, it didn't go farther. Play that up. You can play that up because you don't get a downward. You don't get a downward. Play that up. Get out. And it's about 15. So that's probably all there is to it, boys and girls. Nice elephant bar to trick you. off the 20 at the end of the day, buy into here, get out, but you would expect it to make that move. But either or, great trading day. Happy pre-Friday. I'll see you tomorrow on Friday. Wish it was Monday because I like trading. See ya. Till next time.